Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Accessibility Features. Following that, click on One-Handed Mode and click on this switcher next to One-Handed Mode in order to activate it. When you're ready, follow all of those instructions. Slide your finger across the button of the screen. So when I do that, and tap on Got It, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, just tap on this blank area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!